Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute flower squares. Really simple, really sweet, look great in all different colours. So let's get started. So today I'm using a 4mm hook and double knit yarn, but you can use whatever hook and yarn you prefer. So I'm going to do a double magic ring. And then I'm going to chain 2. Now I'm going to do double crochet US terms. I need to do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 into there. So if I count this as my first stitch, I do 9 double crochets into the magic ring. So I shall continue around. Once I've got 10 stitches total, I'll meet you back here. So to tighten the double magic ring, pull your tail end just a little bit and you'll see it tightens one of those. So that's the one you want to pull tight, which will pull the other one in. And then when you pull your tail in, that pulls that loop in. Now I'm going to slip stitch closed, cut and weave in my ends, and then we're ready for the next round. So now for our next 2 rounds, we're doing them in the same colour. So pop your hook into one of the top of the stitches, attach your yarn. Now we're going to chain 2. We're going to do a US double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, double crochet into the next stitch, and another double crochet into that stitch. So as we go around, we're putting 2 double crochets into each stitch, and our first chain counts as our first stitch. So in total we'll have 20 stitches all the way around. I shall meet you back here. So I've done my 20 stitches. I'm just going to slip stitch into the top of my first stitch there. Now I'm going to yarn over and double crochet into the next stitch along. Into the same stitch I'm going to do a treble crochet, so that's where we yarn over twice. So that's going into the same one, 2, 3. In the next stitch along I'm going to do 3 trebles. So 1, 2, 3, yarn over twice, same space, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 trebles all in the same space. Next space, a treble and a double. The next space along is a slip stitch, and we have our first petal complete. Yarn over, double crochet into the next space, yarn over twice and treble crochet into there again. Yarn over twice. Next stitch along we're doing 3 trebles into here, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, treble into the next stitch, 2, 3, and then a double, and then a slip stitch. So continue that around until you have 5 petals total. So your last stitch is a slip stitch in there. Now you can cut and weave in your ends. So for our next round, new colour, we're going to work into the top of the middle stitch of the middle treble stitch there in the middle of the petal with a single crochet. Next stitch is a half double. Then we have a double and a double. And now working into the middle of the, in between the petals, we're going to put a treble. Two, three. Working back up the other side of the petal, we've got a double, double, oops, half double, single. So working back down again, so we've done our single, half double, 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 and then working into the middle there with a treble. Oops. One, two, three, double, double, half double, single. So repeat that all the way around and I shall meet you back here. So my last stitch was a half double. I'm just going to slip stitch that closed, ready for the next round, and now you've made it into a circle. So now from the circle we need to turn it into a square. So we are going to single crochet into the next stitch along. We're going to half double into the next stitch along. We're going to double into the next stitch along. Now we're going to do 2 doubles into the next stitch along. 1, 2, and a treble in the next stitch along. Now we're going to chain 2. We're going to treble into the same stitch, and that's going to create our corner. The next stitch along is 2 doubles into 1 stitch. Next one along is 1 double. Next one is half double. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3 singles. And that's your first corner. So from this third single, we're going to do a half double, a double, 2 doubles into the same space, treble in the next space, chain 2, and treble into the same space. So that's corner number 2 done. And do 2 doubles into the next space, 1, 2, a double into the next space along, a half double, and then 3 singles. 2, 3. So repeat that around until you have all 4 corners, and I shall meet you back at our single crochet here. So I've made it all the way round. Now it is a lovely square shape. I'm going to cut and weave in my ends ready for the final round. in my last colour. So my last row is going to be a border all the way around. You could actually leave it like this if you wanted to. It's really cute as it is, but I've made these ones with a border, so in order to be able to use those, I need to make some matching ones. So putting it into the corner space, attach your yarn and chain 2. Yarn over, double crochet into that corner space. So this corner is we're just doing the first 2 stitches, which is half a corner, and we shall do the other half once we've made it all the way around. Working into the first stitch along, we're just going to double crochet into every stitch along. I shall meet you at the next corner. So I've made it all the way along to the next corner. We're going to double crochet 2 into that corner space, chain 2, and then double crochet 2 more into that corner space. That's your first full corner. And working in every stitch along. Do the same in each of the corners, and I shall meet you back to finish our first corner. So I've gone all the way around. I just need to complete my last corner, so it's 2 more double crochets into that corner space, chain 2, and slip stitch into the very first chain. And there you have your square. I'm just going to cut and weave in my ends. Here it is. So cute, really retro sort of style little flower. I'm going to make one more of these because I've got a little plan for them. I hope this was a nice, easy to follow tutorial. It's such a sweet little pattern. I love it. They do need blocking. They're a bit curly, but once they're blocked, I think they'll be lovely. Do follow along and subscribe for more tutorials, and I shall be along next week with a new one. See you again soon. Bye.